Hey friends, if you wish to create a system image using PowerShell in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Obviously, it is just copy pasting the command that I have added in the description section of the video, and it is considering the fact that the C drive is the system drive and the E drive does not exist. If you wish to change it, you can change it to F drive or something here, but I keep it as E drive in my system. So here's the question: why do I need to create a system image using PowerShell and not the original method? Because when you create using PowerShell, you are actually saving a lot of time with it. All you need to do is copy paste this command and do the job. Otherwise, it's a long process. So copy it, open Windows PowerShell, click on run as administrator in the right pane, and then paste it here and then hit enter. Now I won't hit enter because it will start a long process, but you have to hit enter, and that is all you need to do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.